Even as Anna continues to command the nation's attention, a debate is raging on over the draft of the Jan Lokpal bill. The chorus of voices demanding that Anna's version be tabled in Parliament. On the one hand, there's the government unwilling to give a clear stand on an alternative bill, and on the other is the BJP, critical but yet non-committal. For now, the stage seems set for yet another political showdown.
Place it before the House. Let the 547 people or something, let them read a draft. Compare it with all other drafts. And if they think it is worthwhile, take it. If it is not worthwhile, reject it.
And that is the demand that the 74-year-old Anna Hazare believes in. 100 hours of fasting.
Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Vande! Vande! Inqilab! Inqilab!
And he is in no mood to quit till he gets what he wants.
लड़ते रहेंगे हम लड़ते रहेंगे जब तक लोकपाल नहीं मिलता तब तक लड़ते रहेंगे.
From the Ramlila grounds here, Anna Hazare once again reiterated his demand again, even though the government seems unwilling to move forward.
While the government at least attempts to be clear on its stand,
I hope that people will appreciate that there is a dynamic of the legislative process which takes time sometimes to get over.
the opposition is clearly non-committal.
हर एक आंदोलन करने वाले अपने अपने तरीके से विचार रखते हैं और मांग करते हैं. सरकार को उस पर रिएक्शन देना है. भ्रष्टाचार के विरोध की लड़ाई की बात कर रहे हैं, हम बिल की नहीं बात कर रहे हैं. उसमें तो हमने सरकार से मांगा है कि सरकार अपना स्टैंड बताए, फिर अपील करे, फिर हम बताएंगे.
And Team Anna maintains that if the government wants, Anna's demand is possible.
लोकसभा से पास हो सकता है, राज्यसभा को भेजा जा सकता है और सोमवार को और मंगल को 29-30 को वहां पे भी चर्चा होके 30 तक पारित हो सकता है.
This tussle is clearly heading for a showdown.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. अन्ना जी के साथ हैं.
Bureau Report, Times Now.